Intelligent unmanned equipment is currently a trend in the development of military equipment. Although it is not yet mature, humans have been trying it for many years. The Black Knight tank, developed by BAE Systems, is one of the early attempts, and it underwent testing in 2006 to 2007. In fact, calling the Black Knight a tank is not very accurate. It may be more appropriate to call it an intelligent unmanned fire support/reconnaissance vehicle. The vehicle weighs 9.5 tons, and although it is slightly smaller in size, its basic structure is similar to the M2 Bradley infantry fighting vehicle, and it is directly related to the use of the M2. The Black Knight is powered by a 300 horsepower diesel engine and uses track-type walking components. It can reach a maximum speed of 66 km per hour, has good off-road performance, and can accompany the M2 infantry fighting vehicle in field operations. The various mechanical and electrical components inside the vehicle are easy to disassemble, repair, and replace, which can improve efficiency on the battlefield. Very few articles mention the Black Knight's armor protection capability, as it was originally an experimental weapon and did not have many requirements in this area. Given its weight, not much is allocated to the armor, so its protection capability may be similar to that of an ordinary armored personnel carrier. The Black Knight's weapon configuration is similar to the M2, with a turret-mounted M242 Bushmaster 25mm chain gun. It can fire in both single-shot and rapid-fire modes, with adjustable firing rates and ammunition including high-explosive and armor-piercing rounds, providing good firepower against lightly armored targets, concrete buildings, and more. Its auxiliary weapon is a coaxial M247.62mm machine gun, with a firing rate of 600 rounds per minute. In addition to its weaponry, the Black Knight is equipped with a large number of sensors, with cameras distributed around the vehicle providing 360 degrees video imagery, 4 laser radars for scanning the surrounding terrain, and additional remote-controlled driving cameras, panoramic observation devices on the turret, data antennas, GPS navigation equipment, and more. This array of equipment not only allows the Black Knight to operate autonomously, but also to feed a large amount of information back to a remote command post. The unmanned tank can be remotely controlled by a command station installed on the M2, making it an auxiliary combat unit of the M2, conducting reconnaissance, firepower strikes, and other tasks. In 2006, the designers completed a functional enhancement package that allows the Black Knight to autonomously plan routes and proactively avoid obstacles by analyzing information obtained from various sensors. Although the Black Knight is still in the stage of technological exploration, it represents a direction in the development of equipment technology. When intelligent technology becomes more mature, we may see the remote control of one or even multiple intelligent unmanned vehicles by a command vehicle to a certain extent, replacing manpower and manned equipment. This is theoretically feasible, but there are still many technical aspects that need to be improved, such as anti-interference technology for remote control, identification technology for unmanned tanks, tactical arrangement of unmanned tank combat groups, and even the organization and command of this new equipment after the command center is destroyed, all of which need to be considered. The Black Knight unmanned tank weighs approximately 9.5 tons, with a length of about 5 meters, a width of about 2.44 meters, and a height of about 2 meters. It can reach a maximum speed of 66 km per hour, and can be deployed by large and medium fixed-wing transport aircraft, as well as lifted by large transport helicopters.